In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reframe a sequence inside Premiere for social media. Let's say if you have a long form horizontal video and you want to reframe it for social media vertical settings, I'm going to show you how you can do that easily inside Premiere. So as you can see, I have this sequence inside Premiere Pro, and to auto reframe this to become a social media layout, what we can easily do is select the sequence inside the project panel that we want to reframe, right click on it, and go to auto reframe sequence. From the target aspect ratio, we can choose vertical 9:16. You also have other ones, so if you want to do the opposite or do a different aspect ratio, you can choose one of the other settings. Or if, let's say if you're creating custom content for maybe a LED wall, maybe a website header, and you need a very specific resolution, you can type that in under the custom aspect ratio. But for now, what I'm going to do is go to vertical 9:16. Underneath you have motion tracking. I usually stick to slower motion. And then under clip nesting, you can choose to nest your clips or to not nest your clips. I'm going to choose to don't nest clips, and I'm going to click create. As you can see, we have our new sequence here. At the bottom right, you'll see that it's analyzing for auto reframe with a progress bar. So I would just let this go until all the clips are auto reframed. As you can see right now, it just finished. I'm going to change my workspace to the vertical workspace by clicking on the workspace button and going to vertical. That way we can see it a little bit better here. If we zoom in and click on one of our clips inside effect controls, you can see what happened. It applied the auto reframe effect to each video clip inside our sequence. And if we click and play it back, you can see that it automatically reframed our subject inside the center. Now this isn't going to be perfect for every single clip. If we go forward here, you can see that it didn't scale in all the way and it kind of missed our subject. But using these controls inside effect controls, we can easily scale up our clip and then move it over to get our subject back in the frame. So you can do that for the clips depending how you want to adjust them. For example, like this clip, we can click on it. Maybe we want to center the sun with the hands connecting. We can scroll down and just slide this over here. And that's how you can easily auto reframe sequences inside Premiere. Now that you reframe your sequence, the next obvious step would be to export for social media. And if you do want to see how to do that, I did make a video going over that. I will link that video right up there if you do want to check that one out. But that does it for this video. I hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.